Hello! What's up mga ka-wonders? Today, mag-unbox tayo ng aking latest gadget for this year, ang GoPro Hero 10 Black. And aside from unboxing, we will also have a quick side-by-side comparison between the Hero 10 and my old Hero 9 Black. So, later on, we will do a camera test on my Hero 10. So titignan natin yung kanyang video mode, the photo mode, time-lapse, time warp, and also the horizon leveling and even the slow-mo. So side by side with the Hero 9 Black. Actually, this latest model was released in September 2021 and it has been more highly anticipated than the earlier cameras such as the Hero 6, 7, 8, and 9, mainly because of the new GP2 processor that gives double the frame rates across all the resolutions. So, meaning to say, pwede na tayo mag-take ng video into 4K resolution at a super smooth quality 120 FPS, whereas the in GoPro Hero 9 we can only take up to 2.7K at 120 FPS. So I can say it's really a major upgrade on the camera. The overall packaging is almost identical to the Hero 9 Black, with the camera plus the accessories inside this hard shell case. The new camera is displayed on the front of this card wrapper with the huge number 10 indicating the model number. On the right side, it says Hyper Smooth 4.0, whereas 3 lang sa Hero 9, and they have the same GoPro label on the top left corner. Then here it says number 10 and number 9 here on Hero 9. Sa Hero 10 it says 23 megapixel, whereas 20 lang sa Hero 9. When it comes to video resolutions, Hero 10 has 5.3K at 60 and 4K at 120, whereas sa Hero 9 it only gives 5K 30 plus 4K 60. And meron silang the same 10-meter deep underwater video. But the big difference is itong GP2 processor ng Hero 10. On the opposite side of the wrapper, we can see all the features of the camera. If you notice, both of these cameras have the same or almost identical features, except Hero 10 has a 23 megapixel camera. In Hero 9 it's only 20 megapixel. Hero 10 we can take video in 4K at 120 FPS. In Hero 9 we can only take 2.7K at 120 FPS. In Hero 10 the Hyper Smooth is 4.0. Hero 9 it's only 3.0. So now let's start unboxing this bad boy. So ganito ang itsura niya. This is the hard shell case with the zipper. So let's see what's inside. Alright, there you have it. So it comes with the info card. info card and got some stickers in it. Right, comes with cable charge, buckle clip, yeah, okay, thumb screw, curve adhesive mount, one battery, and of course the GoPro camera itself. Okay, once again, these are the things you will get on the GoPro Hero 10 Black basic package. So you have here the hard case shell, the GoPro stickers, the info card. You got here the USB-A to USB-C cable charge, the curve adhesive mount, the buckle clip, the thumb screw, and the 1720 milliampere battery, and of course the action camera itself, the GoPro Hero 10. And adding to that, you need to buy also separately a micro SD card that doesn't come with the package. Yan, wrap na natin si GoPro Hero 10. As you can see, tong Hero 10 is almost the same as Hero 9. So look at that, almost identical, except meron lang siyang label na 10 and the other one is 9. So this is blue and gray, so almost identical sila, right? So, subukan din natin yung kanyang ang battery nitong Hero 9 kung gagana dito sa Hero 10. For now, subukan naman natin gamitin ang battery nitong Hero 9 sa Hero 10. So, ito ang battery ng Hero 9 and very much identical sa battery ng Hero 10. Okay, we will insert this now to Hero 10. So, pwede natin gamitin ang battery ng Hero 9 dito sa ating Hero 10. Diba? Not bad. Right now, it says no SD card. So, later on, ilalagay naman natin itong SD card so we can take video na afterwards. Okay? Now, subukan naman natin kung alin sa kanilang dalawa ang mag-switch on faster. Okay, medyo nauna ng konti ang Hero 10. So, just a slight difference. Okay, this is my Hero 9 and definitely this is the Hero 10. So, ngayon, subukan naman natin mag-switch from one mode to another. Let's say from video mode to camera mode. Tingnan natin kung sino mas mabilis mag-load. So, mas mabilis ang Hero 10. Okay? Okay? Subukan naman natin this time ang photo mode and tingnan natin kung alin sa kanilang dalawa ang mas mabilis mag-process ng picture. This is my Hero 10 and this is the Hero 9. There you have it. Again, mas mabilis ang Hero 10. Even sa pag-switch ng one mode to another, let's say from kanina, from let's say from video to photo mode, mas mabilis ang Hero 10. So I can can safely say na talagang mayroong major improvements ang bagong GoPro ngayon na Hero 10 when it comes to processing. Okay, we're done with the unboxing, and what we are going to do next is we will go out and we'll take some photos and videos, and again we will be comparing them with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. We are recording here a time-lapse video with 4K resolutions, 5 seconds interval, and the lens is wide. This is Hero 9 and this is Hero 10.
We are now recording at 60 FPS. Now, subukan naman natin ang horizon leveling. Hero 9 on my left, Hero 10 on my right. Tingnan natin ang stabilization. Running. Dito na po natatapos ang ating video for today. Tapos na tayo sa ating GoPro Hero 10 camera test, side by side with the Hero 9. So I hope you find it interesting, and shoutout nga pala kay Sir Bobsy at kay Mr. Frank. So once again, salamat sa mga nanood, and I'll see you again in my next video. Peace.